Kaizer Chiefs supporters, tomorrow we have a game against Al Masry. The game tomorrow, idingeka bafethu ukuthi si support team yethu. We know what happened kule last game sidlala neStellenbosch, but we cannot punish our team ngalento eyenzeke lapha eCape Town. And the other thing, talking about Umdusha Balala, I don't know what was the problem with the boy. I think maybe they are putting pressure on him ukuthi kumele adlale ngendlela bona ama coaches afuna ngayo, instead of allowing the boy to play the way he want, because Umdusha Balala lo esimazi esaqhamuka ku DDC ubezolikora lela goal bafethu, ubezolikora lama goal four times yonke athola ama chances, but akazange akhona nokuthi akore negoli elilodwa. So I think umfana lapha kuzomela ukuthi asebenze nzima kakhulu, engaze ithole naye selahlelwa kude njengo uDupreez, because now ama fans they don't know who to trust now ukuthi uzoba a starting lineup, and nama coaches as well, they don't have a clean starting lineup. To be honest, we don't have a starting lineup esingasithemba ukuthi yabona lesi singakhona ukusiwinela. So yabona ukuthi how bad is it? We need a starting lineup bafethu esosithemba ukuthi mangabe sodlala nama team we can win when we are using this starting lineup. And enye into ebiyihluphe formation yama coaches nangendlela abacoacha ngakhona ama players. They bring, okay, we see Umonyane is a good quality player. I have been saying it. But the technical le abamtshela yona ukuthi ayidlale bafethu, i-technique yakhe yama coaches, it doesn't work properly. Sometimes inokuba nenhlanhla. So we don't need lucky. We need to win. We need good quality coaching. Coach ama players, and then uphinde ba alawe bakhona ukusebenzisa ama individual brilliance, because those players they have their own individual brilliance. If they are not using, we're not going to win, because the coach is sitting on the bench watching like us and coaching as well, but the person who's playing is the coach, is the players. So I think it's going to be a good thing if our coaches benze in the right bafethu. I still repeat it, for now our coaches they look like headless chicken, abantu abangayazi into abayenza bafethu. So I think they have to decide ukuthi which players are they playing. But babuye clean if they're not going to use ama players afana nabo Chisleti nabo Shinga, because we need to see those players. Imagine bebahlalise abo Mabuye benchini only to find out ukuthi uMabuye is the best player mayesefikile la, yabo. And then uNdlovu, I don't think it will be good for uNdlovu ukuthi abe starter kule game elandelayo, because of we know uNdlovu sometimes he can play, sometimes he can disappoint. That's the problem. So endaweni efana nalena bafethu, we need lo mfana lo uMabaso. The reason why I keep on choosing Umabaso, it's because of he can take shots one on one. I mean ama long range, uyakwazi ukwasha ama long range, and he's good. He doesn't just kick like uLilepo ukuthi uzoshaya ibhola lindize liyena naza kore ngenhlanhla. Phela uLilepo uzoshaya amabhola mhlambe let's say 10 shots, and then mhlambe kungenele i1 or really one liye ku shot on target. The other ones ayale ngibonile even noma edlala that day abhekane nepali kodwa uzoshaya into ephuma eceleni kwepali, yabo. At least the silver bafethu maye ngathola ama player bona maybe ngaqala these coaches, if they can start kwiland obviously Peterson, and then we left back bafake uMcCarthy hayi bafethu occupy le ndawo, bafake uMcCarthy and then i-center back, i-left center back abuyele uMiguel, kwi-right center back ahlala ukwinika kwilana kwi-right back abuye uSolomons, because Solomons is doing a great job. Yes, I understand Umunyane is doing a great job, but there's somewhere where I don't agree with him. Kunamanye ama-decision obonayo ukuthi yabona lawa njengalela bhola lela afika litrapha ngesifuba maqeda ufuna ukushaya ibhasikili lapha. I think lapha bekumele akaniphe, bekumele ahlakaniphe kakhulu bafethu, alitraphe nge-chest maqeda alithinte kancane uDe Silva la emuva, lithinte kancane uDe Silva liqedele mawubona ukuthi bakuvalile, because already ama-players they were confused ukuthi uzoyenza kanjani until they saw ukuthi okay ufuna ukushaya ibhayisikili lapha. So bese unumber 6 kulokhu njanini bafake uMabuyi, and then unumber 8 wethu bafethu uyadlala uMabaso, mabafake uMabaso bafake uVilakazi ezinumber 10, bathathe noma bengathatha uLilepo bamfake as right winger. Umodi this time I can vote with him because of at least he will come as a defender. He will come as a defender and he has the experience. So I think he is going to be a first time kule starting lineup ngifake umuntu ofana no Modi. And then bese who is this guy? uDe Silva abe striker. Then ama substitute sebengafaka abo Serino lapha, vele bhayi yena vele definitely show second half Melazi. uVilakazi bayeke ukumsubstitute because of basebenzisa umfana too much azagcina khathale, kanti inumber 10 is a second striker, kumele asebenze lapha phambili kakhulu the most, hayi defense, hayi ukuthi babe bamfakela ukuthi abebuya azo defender too much emuva. Yena he can come and assist when he has the opportunity, but akumela ngashaya ama-run kakhulu abuyele emuva, kumele ashaya ama-run aye phambili, because uVilakazi umuntu othi mayephethe ibhola uya phambili, ubhekana i-1-on-1 nama-player, mayebona ukuthi bese bamvalile uyakwazi ama-player walethe phambili wonke bazomakha yena bese ashaya i-spectacular pass le kuyi-confuse impintshi yami la uDe Silva. But these players, they need to play together so that they can get used to each other. Tango bafethu phinde sihlangane bafethu, ngizophinda ngishaya enye short video engizoyiposta lapha ku-YouTube, ngizoyiposta na ku-TikTok khona na ku-Facebook bafethu. Ngiyacela kakhulu ukuthi nisubscribe nizokwazi ukuqhubeka ningibona bafethu, ngoba abanye they were subscribing while they don't know ukuthi who they subscribing to, but now at least you know my face. Abanye abasubscribile they might know me on TikTok, abafollowile they might know me, but bafethu lana ngicela ukuthi sikhuluma ngebhola kuphela, not other things bafethu. We are talking about the ibhola and let's show respect to each other. Even nakuma comments bafethu, noma ngabe kufika umunye umuntu wePirates, we don't choose. I support Kaizer Chiefs, but I talk about each and every game. It's just ukuthi angakatholi isikhathi bafethu sokuthi ngikwazi ukuhlela zonke lezi zinto, ngoba sometimes I become busy ngingakhoni nokuposta, ngingakwazi nokucheka namanye ama team party. iKaizer Chiefs I always make sure ukuthi I watch them. Danko bafethu.